Hi, Jeff Lees from Landscape Melbourne Property Services bringing another do-it-yourself video. How to dog-proof artificial grass in your backyard. Over the years we've laid a lot of artificial grass with conventional means around homes, the back of homes and sides of homes, and we found where dogs were involved it just wasn't good enough. The dogs would claw away at the edge, lift the securing nails and start chewing on the artificial grass, rendering it unbearable to look at and just totally useless to actually replace. We've devised a system where the artificial grass can be securely anchored to render it dog proof, and click on the link below and go through and buy our product, our video off ClickBank, and you will understand the processes involved to really secure your dog-proof artificial grass. Have a great day. Bye.